Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader known as Fijian Traders. This is Mr. Singh. Green concept, ticker symbol INKW. What a day we having on Friday as I do this video. And I know some of you guys were looking for this video. Folks, I only share when it needs to be shared in terms of the key technical analysis and the news. And that's why I am sharing it today. And nothing changes. I am still bullish. I am still confident on this stock. But we saw a roller coaster today where it dropped actually 0.0020 and then kind of sitting right now at between 0.0027. Are we done? Is the pump is over? No, no, no. We are not done. We are not. This is just a basic, and I did mention it when we hit at 0.0041, we will have that pullback, and sure enough, we did have the pullback. But before I talk on the technical side, always gonna share the fundamentals, my portfolio, what I'm doing it as usual. So folks, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification because you don't want to miss anything comes in. And the more views, the more people watches it, encourages me to keep doing it, even though I will be doing it and I love to do it in the regular basis. But it also takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of perception. It takes a lot of due diligence in order to do that. And I don't make sure that my worthwhile also shares at the same time. But I do appreciate people who are subscribing and smashing that like button and turning their notifications. It means a lot. So Green Concept, this article came on 13. That was on Wednesday. Green Concept, bewater 6-pack now available in Camping World. Another growth, right? That's why you always want to see that when it comes with that. What does it mean? It's pleased to announce bewater spring water is available on the local camping in a 6-pack configuration with our 24-pack. We knew they had the 24-pack, which started about 2 years, an year and a half ago actually, and now it comes to a variety of 6-pack, and which is good. It is great, right? Because you want to have options in terms of a consumer. I'm a consumer, so if I go to the store, I want to have options. Man, 24, I don't think so needed, but I am going for a short road trip. Guess what? I will have used it. Is a cheaper price, and also doesn't bring a bank to buy a 6-pack rather than a 24. So good, like as a marketing, is a good as in terms of understanding the consumer needs and demand at the same time. So what is Mr. Lenny said? Mr. Lenny Green Concept is incredibly grateful of Camping World for their trust with us in our bewater branding, allowing us for 6-pack in their stores. This is a win-win as a result with the greater sales and increased demand through the easier store positioning and customer transport. Store managers may choose between receiving 6-packs or our legacy 24-pack configuration depending on the preference and the sales history. Camping World, the first larger scale in nation retailer, and has nothing but the first rate to us since we became the vendor partner with in 2021. So it's later over on that. The 6-packs will be available in Camping World location just in time for the spring summer months, and I encourage each of you to pick up those cases of the fresh and spring water, the smoothest, right? And how what it's gonna look like? It's gonna look like this when you're there. There's something that when doing this, it also relate cost and appearance at the same time. Where it looks very cost effective, and look at the appearance on the picture. It pains because people do get it, right? You want to get something that when you go to Costco, you go to retail store, you see a lot of water sitting there, but something stands out, how the appearance and the marketing goes through that. And why I'm saying marketing, because I'm going to talk on the next article which Mr. Lenny Green did. It goes carries away. Lots of water people, if they see a name bewater everywhere, they'll go try the bewater, right? Because it's always around on their face, and it comes through marketing tool where Mr. Lenny Green, right, did on in March 4th on the air on the Fox News about the bewater. So marketing is very important in any industry in terms of a consumer retail, and more marketing you do, the more growth means more sales, means more revenue. It's all compiles on that. But if nobody knows about your product, then it is very hard to do that. Okay, let's talk about the portfolio. Yes, I am not going anywhere. Still up here, over 3 million shares, up 22%. Not a single thing. I do a lot of stocks such as Mara, Neo, Tesla, Nvidia, you name it. This is one of my smallest account actually. Is Nvidia as sorry, green concept is smallest, where Nvidia is one of my largest account. But I do believe in, right, and doesn't mean is I am hefty money in. I'm up in the percentage level as well, and I'm excited about it, where this thing is heading, and I have no shoulder. Did I have an opportunity to sell it and take a bunk off it? Yes, but that is not my plan. I've been here. I have not gone anywhere yet. I know a lot of people are asking why excuse me, why I am not doing the videos. It's clearly because it also requires a lot of time, viewers, and also demand for it. If there's a lot of demand, absolutely I am doing it. So start pressing the like button, turn on the notification, subscribe, so I can be also keep continuous doing the video, which I will be doing the video every week, but I'd love to do it 2 to 3 times in a week. That is my goal. So not going anywhere, I'm right here. So let's dig and dive, talk about the technical analysis for today. We are still right now is sitting at 0.0028. Before the video started, we are sitting at 0.0027. We have about 15 minutes for the market to close. 15 minutes market to close, and we are had a big pullback all the way today from 0.35 to 0.0020. But you can see buyers were having those offer, buy offer sitting right here and jumped in. What are we looking on the 5-day? 5-day, I talked about still a pullback. Definitely we are very close. So the pink line is my 200-day sitting at 0.003. Blue line, which is my 60-day EMA, which is also sitting on top of each other. So it is coming to an overbought territory. No, actually it is sitting on the neutral, but you see the massive sell-off happened, and that's why you had it. We had a sell-off. Guess what? The buyers stepped in but didn't match up where the buyers came in. And time, that's we have been having on that order flow. Now you can clearly see that we had a lot of sell-off. Outflow was a lot, over 32 rather than a 9 from here distribution. So you can clearly see a sell-off was happening today, and it pushed the price happen. Is it common to see that? Absolutely, it's common to see that. Why I'm still bullish and still on the uptrend? Because when you're sitting right here at 0.17, 0.020, you went high of 0.0. That is your double of whatever the money you would put it in on that, and it went high. I did talk about 0.0041 is going to be a massive resistance, and to break, guess what? We tested, we got rejected. Even went high of 42 and got rejected, and then now we had this pullback. I am very confident. You see this pink line, which is my 200-day EMA, is sitting at 0.0029, and the blue line, which is my 60-day, it is sitting at 0.0034. So we gotta, you'll see we've been trading in between this channel, up and down, and we have not seen green concept. I like to say bewater, but we're moving in between like those massive, right? We always used to be a 0.08, 0.9, like that movement, but we are moving about 3 to 4% on that, and it is great to see that. I really like to see what is happening. But today was a massive drop because we had 17.14% drop today. And what was the behind the reason on it? Because the buyers were not stepping up. But right now, see, we are making grounds. We've jumped up to 0.0029. So 3 months. Why I am still bullish? Because trend line does not lie, folks. You can clearly see that when we had this crossover, I have mentioned it. We have an uptrend coming. And guess what? Technically, when you have the crossover, the pink line was sitting as a resistance, which is the 200-day. You always want it to be the bottom, and the top should be the 60-day. Means a confirmation, and we shoot off right here. And look at it. We are holding between those two moving averages. And I'm still of myself very, very confident that we're going to have a turnover coming up very soon, because it is going to an overbought territory. 6 months, shift the gear quickly. Even if we had this crossover right here, we still see the blue line is sitting right here up, and the pink line is sitting at 0.28. So what is going to happen, since we had this massive run, we're going to pull back. We're going to trade in between this. And what are the gaps that we are looking to trade between is 0.009 and all the way 0.0038. Yes, folks, is going to be trading in between right here, then making higher highs and higher lows. So the pattern that I'm looking, and which technical analysis do not lie because they do not have emotions, they go by the how it's been trading on that. So when we had this pull right here, jump right up here, made this run, we're gonna see this up here getting rejected again, come back to test level right here. So we've been trading in between this level, then we're gonna start seeing these upper high, higher lows, and making back again. So what is called a bull flag pattern. A bull flag pattern does it. We trade sideways. Now we need to see sideways. If it starts trade sideways, which I am really confident to see that, because the moving average is going to be a massive support, and then you're going to make higher highs and higher lows back again. It is very common on that, very common on that, and I did say it is a healthy pullback. It is a healthy pullback, so do not lose your temper on it that it is a fake pump dump or anything, whatever you want to call it. It is based on the technical, not fundamentally of the company, matches with the technical analysis. That's why you're going to see that. And that's why I decided we're going to train between this channel right here, and there will be a less movement. When you start seeing a less movement and between trading sideways, it is creating that bull flag pattern again for another run coming up. So I'm excited. I'm here for the long run. I hope you guys have a great weekend. When you're watching this video is done on Friday. Be right about the market is about to close, and we have about 13 minutes to market to close. Love to see this thing close over 0.0030. But looking at it right now, what's holding up today, and I will share with you guys, it's gonna be this moving average right here at 0.0031. We have this gap. I can clearly see that we're going testing 0.0031 and getting rejected, because that's a moving average throughout the day that it's been acting as a massive support level, a resistance level. So thank you once again for watching it. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you.